Hi guys, in the recent videos I've told you what not to eat. In this video we're going to talk about what you can eat, specifically pleasure foods, okay, on the ketogenic diet. Here's the thing, you might in your mind think that it's very restrictive, but there are so many recipes, and every single recipe that I'm going to tell you about, I actually put a link down below. You can actually get the recipe. All right, so first we have bread. There's a certain type of bread that you can make on this eating plan, and it is amazing. Pancakes with almond flour. You have pizza with cauliflower crust. I mean, a lot of you have already made that. It's delicious. Waffles, not just waffles, but maple syrup, okay? We show you how to make the syrup and the waffles. Unbelievable. Breadsticks that actually taste like breadsticks. Pecan pie. Do you like pecan pie? This thing, you're going to really love this. No sugar. It's low carb. Shortbread cookie. One of my favorite cookies. I mean, you cannot tell the difference between this cookie and an actual shortbread cookie. Ice cream. Yes, ice cream. Spice nut mix. Unbelievable. Whipped cream. Chocolate keto fat bombs. Those are things that you can take at the end of the meal, that's like a dessert. Peanut butter cups. Unbelievable. Cheddar biscuits. Chocolate chip cookies. Do you like those? You'll love this recipe. Chocolate mousse. Candied pecans, and chocolate seeds. These are just a few that you can make. Now, I have a little sample. Here's an example. Look at, we got candied pecans, we got the shortbread cookie, and we got the ice cream. Now, tell me this wouldn't be a substitute for any type of other dessert that you would consume. Amazing, amazing. This ice cream is actually my own ice cream that we're working on. I've been working on this for a year now, and a lot of you have been asking, when is it going to be done? Soon. I want it perfect, so we keep going back and forth until it's just, the texture is absolutely perfect, because we have to make this with less than 1 gram of sugar, with higher amounts of fat. We finally made it with coconut oil. Yeah, and it fluffs up just like ice cream. So go ahead and click the recipe that you want to make down below, and don't deprive yourself. So press the subscribe button, and this is misspelled, so I can't spell. So I'm going to have to add that in here. Okay, take 2. Press the subscribe button, and I can't even say this. Press the subscribe button, and I will keep you updated on the future events.